Welcome to a short tutorial on how to schedule an unknown patient in iQ-WEB RIS. As front desk staff, I want to schedule an unknown patient so that I can store new data properly for later use. For doing this task, I will go to Patient tab. Type patient name in search field and press magnifying glass to verify he has not been here before. Create new patient with +New button. Fill in all mandatory fields as well as name and date of birth. Press the Save button. Type patient name in search field and press magnifying glass. Select patient using the folder icon and go to Orders tab. Create new order with +New button. Go to Procedures tab. Select AET. Procedure code. And find time range. Press the Save button. New order is shown in Orders table and in Calendar. Go to Schedule tab. Then Calendar. Select Calendar entry and move to different time. Confirmation message is displayed. After clicking Confirm, the change is stored. Thank you for your attention.